Hey guys, it's Emily and welcome back to Living Plantfully. Valentine's Day is 1 week away, so I wanted to share with you guys my super sexy, easy vegan, no bake chocolate raspberry cheesecake bites. To start off this recipe, you want to have some vegan chocolate cookies, so I'm just using some Oreos because they are vegan friendly. You want to pulse these in a blender or food processor until you've reached a crumb consistency. To that, you want to add 2 teaspoons of melted vegan butter as well as 2 teaspoons of melted coconut oil. Mix that all together until everything is nice and combined. You should be able to pinch your mixture and it stay together. So using whatever kind of mold you'd like, I'm using just some heart-shaped silicone molds that I found at the store. You want to add in your crumb mixture to the bottom and firmly press it together using either a spoon or your fingers, just to make sure that everything is in a nice even layer and nice and compact. Then you want to pop this in your freezer to set. In the meantime, we're going to be making our filling. I have here 1 1/4 cup of vegan cream cheese. To that, I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of raspberry puree. You could also use strawberry puree if you would prefer. And you want to mix this all together till it's nice and combined. Depending on how vibrant you like your color, add more or less of the puree. Once you've reached your ideal color, you want to go ahead and add into that 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Switch over to a whisk just so that everything is nice and combined and there are no lumps of powdered sugar in our cheesecake mixture. Depending on how much of the puree you use, you want to make sure to give it a taste just to see if you need some extra sugar. Remove your crust from the freezer and make sure that it's nice and set. On top of that, we want to add an even layer of our raspberry cheesecake mixture to each mold. Then, using a small offset spatula, just go ahead and basically smooth off the tops. Pop this back into your freezer, and ideally you want to have that in there overnight, but 4 hours will work as well. And this part is completely optional, but it's definitely going to make it look extra special. I just went ahead and grabbed some fresh raspberries and dipped them in some vegan friendly chocolate that I just melted over a double boiler. And then I just basically set those in my refrigerator to set as well. So the next morning, your cheesecake bites should be perfectly set. And the great thing about using a silicone mold is that you can just very easily pop out each little cheesecake bite from its mold. So then I just topped each of my little cheesecake bites with a chocolate dipped raspberry as well as a mint leaf. These are definitely going to get you lots of compliments on Valentine's Day if you decide to make these for your Valentine or for your family or for whoever. They are just absolutely gorgeous and they're super creamy, super delicious. The flavor combinations are just perfect. I love the tartness from the raspberry, the sweetness from the cheesecake filling, as well as the crispy crust. It's just perfect. Show me some love, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week.